Okay guys, it's me Imad. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to use or how to create a push button within the Scilab GUI. So how we can do that? First of all, you must know that how you can create a simple GUI, and then we will design or import a button on the same GUI. So how we can do that? First, you can see this file section, and under this file section we have this launch sine nodes. So this is actually our simple M file. Just like in MATLAB it is M file, and here we can call it as the sine nodes. So here we can write our custom code. So first we will declare a variable. Like here we will write f is equal to figure. So what is this thing now? F is equal to figure is just a thing that this figure function will create a GUI, a built-in GUI for us. This is actually a function, and obviously there are a lot of things within this function. And as we have equalized this function with that with this variable that is f, so now all the attributes or all the things that are inside this figure function, we can get or fetch all these with the help of this variable f. Okay, so we have written f is equal to figure, and obviously it will create a GUI for us, the axis type thing. Okay, so after this has been done, we will write h is equal to UI control. Now this is our second function, UI user interface control function. Why it is called as function? Because we have these two brackets. If there are two brackets in front of this thing, in front of any variable or any name, we obviously have to consider it as the function. So here UI control. So here inside this function, first of all, we will write in as a first parameter, we will write this f. Okay, so first of all, because we are going to create a control like push button, like slider or anything, so obviously it will be dumped on this main GUI window. So that is why we have included this f variable here. So this is our first parameter, and then we will write that what sort of control we need. So we will write style, that what sort of, so we will write here as the push button. So it is push button. Okay, and if we need slider, we can write it as this, we can write here as the slider. So this command will actually create a push button for us. Then obviously when there is push button, we have to write something on it, so that, okay, so here we will write that what sort of string we want to write on it, on the push button. So here we will write click and dot. So this is our what's called as the string. Click is written, or click will be written on the push button. You can write any other name here instead of this click. Then we will write the position. That where we want to dump our push button on the main GUI. So this is our position. Okay, wait, let me see, comma, and here. So now within the position property, we have two things. First two are the X and Y position, and the third and fourth are actually the width and length of the push button. So let us suppose that we will write 100, and it is 100. Okay, so 100 and 100 means that 100 is X and 100 is Y. So it is on X comma Y position, that is 100 and 100. And then we will write here as the 10 and 20. means that its length is 10 and width is 20, like this. After this has been done, we will write here callback. Callback means that whenever we will click the push button, it will go to certain commands, because whenever we will press a push button, it must go and execute certain things. Okay, so what are these things? Obviously we have to write all these in a callback function. So here we write callback is IO. Okay, now we have given the name IO to the callback, and obviously we have to create our function, that is function IO. Now this is our IO function. So whenever we will click our push button, it will go and search for this IO word, and then it will execute all the statements that lies within the function and end function. So here we write message box, good work, push button pressed, that our message will pop up that we have pressed the push button. So this is our simple thing. So okay, so now can we run it out? Yes, we can go for it. We can write save and all this. Okay, our button is there, but it is very small. Okay, it is very small, so we need to make it a little bit big, like 50, and here is the 60. Length and width, we have changed the length and width, so now you can see that it is here. Okay, can we go, and so it is the length actually, so we will write here 160. So now it is a little bit big. So now whenever we will press it out, we got push button pressed. So in this way, okay, so we can create a push button and we can write any other thing inside this function and end function, and it will get executed. So hopefully you got the concept that how we can use or to create a push button within the Scilab 2025. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.